Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of applications you need just to stay in touch with friends and family? There's Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram DMs, iMessage, and the list goes on and on. Then when you talk about all of the software and applications to manage a remote team, it gets annoying and expensive. At one point, I was using over 15 different applications and software just to manage and run my small remote team. This was all until I discovered one single tool that could do all the power of all these apps in one form factor. And the best part was, it was absolutely free. So it saves me more time and allows my team to be more efficient, all for the cost of $0 per month. This tool was able to cut the number of applications and software I was using by more than half. And it saved me over $1,000 every single month on software operating costs. This software has allowed me to have live chat, video conferencing, team communication, outbound sales calling, and much, much more, all under one single roof. And the best part is, the rent is free. They have a free forever plan that I use, and it's dedicated for small business owners, entrepreneurs, and small teams just like myself. Now, I know what you're thinking. What is the name of the app? Give me the name, and then I'll get out of here. Well, there's a little bit more to it, and I'll share all the details, and I'll share at the end of this video how you can go ahead and take advantage of it for free. Now, before we dig into that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Mike Swigunski. I'm a best-selling author and entrepreneur. And why does this all matter? Because I've helped build more than 100-person remote teams spanning the world, and I've helped other people do it as well. And today I'm going to share the one tool that I'm using to make my remote teams and software more efficient and work more effectively. So if this is your first time seeing me, or if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do that now, because I'm putting out new great videos every single day. Over the past few years, I've had lots of experience building remote teams from small, medium, and big businesses, and this is where I'm going to share the secrets to this success. When you start off, you need to build a good software foundation, meaning if you don't have the right software and tools in place, it's going to haunt you when you try to start scaling your team. Today, I'm super excited to share with you how one tool revolutionized the way I manage my business. And I'm going to share the 3 key features of this tool that have completely transformed the way I use them in my business. So now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the name of this tool is 3CX, and I'm going to break down the 3 key features and how I use them to really improve my business. So 3CX has a free forever system that allows your team to make calls using the internet or traditional phone lines. It's designed to work on various platforms like Windows, Linux, iOS or macOS, any type of Apple platform, and your chosen cloud platform. So whether you're in the office, working remotely, or anywhere else, 3CX provides all the essentials: calls, meetings, and much more in one easy, friendly user package. Now, let's start off with 3 of my favorite features and how I use them to make my business more money and more efficient. Customer acquisition via live chat on the 3CX platform is revolutionary because it allows me to captivate more traffic. People are coming into my online store, and only a certain percentage of them actually opt in or become customers. With live chat, I'm able to answer their questions instantly and figure out what are their problems. Why aren't they converting into the next steps? It allows me a lot more insights into what is going on and how I can provide an extra service. Maybe I need to update or add new features on my website, or I can get them on a phone call to answer all of their questions in person. Essentially, 3CX has a live chat tool, which is like a receptionist for your website. It's greeting every potential customer when they walk into your store, but more importantly, it's helping them find exactly what they need. Well, this is where live chat comes to save the day. You can steer your potential customers to the exact direction you want, and more importantly, they want. With the live chat feature, this isn't just any chat tool, it's a powerhouse for turning website visitors into paying customers. Installation is super easy, and it supports a variety of communication forms, including chat to call on WhatsApp at 0 cost. The real-time interaction is vital for engaging with customers directly on your site, helping you to increase both engagement and sales conversions. Using this chat feature alone has allowed me to double my opt-ins and get a 30% increase in sales month over month. Moving on to the next part is outbound sales. 3CX has a lot of great features that are built around building a remote sales team. And I'll dig into why I love this feature so much and why my team gets so many good results using this. The outbound call center functionality tackles a critical issue many businesses face. Missed calls means missed opportunities. One of the features they have streamlines the setup of call queues, dashboards, and call recording, all while allowing you to keep full control of your data. With no per agent monthly fees, it ensures you that every call is an opportunity to enhance customer relationships and drive sales. So basically how this works for me is, let's say somebody tries to call me when I'm over in Europe and my sales team is sleeping. That way the call can get routed to the person on my team who isn't sleeping and is able to take that call live. This type of structure allows you to be a lot more efficient and allows you to have a team on board 24/7 to answer calls, text messages, and much more. The third feature I love about 3CX is their video conferencing platform. This eliminates the need for pesky third-party applications because there's no app required. You click a link, you open it on your browser, and within minutes, you're video chatting with your customers or with your team members. My team members and I use this for daily and weekly meetings, and it's just so much easier. You don't have to update software. There's no real bugs or anything that you have to worry about. And within one click, you're already live within a meeting with your customer and with your potential clients. And within one click, you're already in a meeting with your customers, and you're also able to seamlessly get in touch with all of your team. Now, I've used a lot of other applications like Skype, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. The list goes on and on. But in general, you need to have the other person install an application. This can be a lengthy process, and a lot of times it's a lot more difficult than just clicking a link and getting inside the room. So I love that this is very seamless. It's very easy to get started. And the best part is it's free and it works great. So 3 really great features of the video conferencing that I love is the ease of access. Guests can join meetings anonymously without any sign-up process and no hassle with having to get an application. It all works on a browser. This simplicity removes barriers typically faced with other conferencing tools, making it much easier for potential leads to connect with you, and they get on the call a lot less frustrated because they didn't have to go through the process of making a new account or installing new software. The next thing is data control. When you host a video conference, it's conducted on your own servers through this 3CX installation. This means that your data remains your own with no details shared with third parties. You have full control over the meeting data and content, ensuring the privacy of you and your conversations and the security for you and all your attendees. Last but not least is the cost efficiency and global access. No per user charges or per month charges. It's absolutely free with the plan I'm on. And the integrated video conferencing system is part of the 3CX phone system managed directly from your dashboard. This allows you to connect with your team globally, regardless of location, in a single virtual meeting room, supporting multiple languages and reducing communication costs. These features ensure that video conferencing is not just a tool for communication, it's a strategic asset for global team management and client meetings. So now that I've gone over the 3 main features, let's discuss their newest update. 3CX just released one of their biggest updates ever called V20, and let's dig into what are the main areas about this update that are worth discussing. One of the first updates in V20 is the departments and office hours. Setup is now more flexible with users able to belong to multiple departments, each defining specific hours and holiday schedules. Then you have enhanced Windows soft phone. This new soft phone replaces the old 3CX desktop app and regularly receives updates that improve its functionality and integration, making it more user-friendly than ever before. The next is 2-factor authentication. Basically, V20 added another layer of security by introducing 2FA. This security feature adds extra protection for user logins, which is crucial for safeguarding your sensitive information. The next one is connection quality monitoring. We all know that one of the most difficult things to troubleshoot are the issues that we cannot replicate on demand. Now with 3CX V20, administrators and users can monitor and troubleshoot network issues directly, ensuring optimal call quality. Last but not least is the streamlined admin console. The new admin console in V20 simplifies management tasks, eliminating the need for a separate management console. Now you can easily manage everything from one central place. In summary, 3CX isn't just a software, it's an all-in-one tool that can replicate and eliminate a lot of your expensive tools and applications you're using right now. It's a comprehensive solution that streamlines how you manage your remote team and interacts with customers. It's an incredible resource for any business looking to reduce software clutter, improve operational efficiency, and enhance communication practices. If you're interested in getting started on their free forever plan, make sure to visit 3cx.com and select their free edition. This is ideal for up to 10 users, and you can get it set up in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button to get alerted about the new videos I'm putting out every single week. And if you enjoyed this, I'm going to leave another video up here where you can continue learning and watching about how to level up your remote life.